Yes, people, welcome to Loaded Cannon channel. AlbertJTV fan cam. Arsenal 3, Southampton 3. Oh my God. Where do I start? My emotions are all over the place. I've got to keep this short because you probably can't even hear me, but my head's all over the place, man. Arsenal at home this season, in the latter stages of the season, defensively we've been poor. We've started games poorly. Leeds, Bournemouth, Crystal Palace almost conceded goals or have conceded goals in the opening sort of 30 seconds a minute. I mean, today was the worst nightmare. What you want to get off to is a positive start after the last two results. And 25 seconds and we're 1-0 down. This is incredible. I think, what's going on? And then it gets compounded even worse by going 2-0 down in 15 minutes at home to bottom of the league Southampton. I mean, you couldn't have cherry-picked another team to play to go 7 points ahead, but it's incredible, honestly, man. I sat there stunned. I did. I sat there absolutely stunned. Yes, Saliba's missing. Yes, Xhaka was missing today. But that's no excuse to be starting games like that of such massive importance in a league title running. I'm lost for words, to be honest with you. But we get the goal back to go 2-1. I was hoping Arsenal could get the second goal to get it 2-2 before the half-time break, because I just think that would have been a bit of a momentum swing up. We peppered Southampton. I thought our passes of play were too slow. I thought we was poor defensively. I thought we was awful defensively tonight, to be honest. We looked susceptible at set pieces again, and we conceded one to go 3-1 behind. And you know what? Like many fans in stadiums were thinking, this is done. We've completely moved the momentum over to Man City if people didn't think they had it already, but somehow, I don't know how, Arsenal get a couple of goals back to make it back 3-2 and then 3-3, and then this absolute carnage at the end with 8 minutes added time, and we had some chances to nick it. Even when we did get in the final third tonight, we was poor in our end product. We did have chances, we didn't put the ball in the back of the net. Too many poor performances from players in the side. I can't pick a player and say we really played well tonight, if I'm being honest with you. Reece Nelson looks a bit bright when he come on, to be fair. Got the ball in the box quickly instead of sort of intricate passing, but it's 2 points dropped tonight. Let's have it right. It's 2 points definitely dropped tonight. We've got to go next week on Wednesday, play the game of our lives, but we have got to defend better, otherwise we're going to get annihilated next Wednesday at the Etihad. People, drop your comments down below because I'm done. I'm exhausted after watching that tonight. So yeah, Arsenal 3, Southampton 3. Drop your comments down below. People, I'll see you soon, man. AlbertJTV over and out.